Okay, Overgrown Cemetery, January 2023. I've not been here for a few years, but this is gone beyond a cemetery for nature. I come in here to read some names, and as you see, there's graves in there. It's been let go for years. I've actually moved out of Overgrown now for quite a few years, but the last time I took photographs in here, all the headstones underneath all this lot was all showing. It's the old part of the cemetery, and I suppose it comes down to cost, but you know, you got, you know, soldiers there, look, rifle volunteers. 1867. I bet he didn't know that he was going to be buried in this lot. Well, he's not too bad actually, but I know there are soldiers in there as well. Local name, Chapman, 1869. Obviously somebody, an ancestor of the Chapmans in Wadebridge, along the line somewhere. But just bloody upsetting to see all this. And even though I say 1800s, you don't forget about them. Look, some beautiful stones in there. These yew trees were here when I was a child. You know, they haven't changed much. But there are some relations to the author Neville Shute, Norway, back underneath those trees over there, which I did find in early 2000s, but you could see them from where I'm standing. Wouldn't take much to come in here with streamers and stuff, volunteer. It'd still be a place for nature. This is just an excuse not to cut it. You know, I expect there's full of butterflies and stuff in here in the summer and stuff, but get rid of the damn brambles. Crimean veteran here, look. Crimean War. 5 medals. 1895. Poor sod. Hill, another local name. 1897. Admonisha Chapman. That's a strange name. 1922. But look at all that, lot abandoned. It shouldn't be like this. Graves in there, see? It's not good. I may have to, this is the first time I've done these sort of videos. I've got a couple of, been inspired by a couple on YouTube who I listen to sometimes, Serenity Sue and Grave Expectations. Now these here, look. I remember somebody being buried here back in early 2000. Like buried in with on top of an old grave, so to speak. Somebody keeps coming to these here by the look of it. Yeah, Goodfellow, Menhennick, Glidden, all local names to Wadebridge. But look at that in there. I've been there like a shot taking all that lot down. Yeah, I think this is the one that was 1999, possibly. Some lovely blooming graves here. Derry, another local name, 1932. Look at that lot. Down there we've got Parsons and all that. All those graves are Parsons. Those seem to be all right there. Like I say, it's they're as soon as you come into the gate, so they'll be doing the strimming right down to about there, and then it all bloody stops. You know, you're coming up here to what's the years here? Yeah, 1958 we're at here now, but that's not much better. All this grass, ant hills and stuff like that can all be just cleaned up. Beautiful little angel over there. (1978). Little beauty. Yep, definitely needs a clean up. Possibly after the summer now. Oh, lovely old graves here, look. Nice granite stonework. Buried in the bloody ivy. That ivy can be cut back. Not harm any nature. Just don't let it encroach onto the flipping graves. Lovely old crafting there. There probably is some wildflowers in here, but it's all grass as well. Another local name to Wadebridge, Slugget. They're all here. You get to the other side of the wall here. So you got Richards, sorry, Frederick Richard, Truscott, Wills. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these more often, not necessarily finding graveyards like this, but older sort of churchyards and cemeteries. So yeah, and you see it gets to this place over the new bit. Here we are, lo and behold, nice and clean. But this is where all the history is in here. These were the ancestors and the foregoers of Wadebridge and other places. So that's all for this stream. I'll catch you later on the next one. Bye for now.